Hi YouTubers, welcome to the channel. So many of us have steering wheels in our cars, hopefully, and many of us have Alcantara, which looks nice, feels nice, until it gets dirty. Asking around some detailers and people that clean cars, the constant recommendation was to use this stuff by Sonex, which is an Alcantara cleaner. So we're going to give that a go on this steering wheel here and see if we can bring it up looking cleaner and just feel that little bit nicer. So the things that are needed are obviously the Sonex, a brush, not too stiff, a soft brush, and then afterwards a cloth to wipe off. So the idea being you spray this onto the brush. It is like a foam that you gently brush into your Alcantara on the steering wheel, and you give it 10 to 15 minutes of this so that it activates and cleans, and then you wipe it off. So I think we need to give it a go, don't we? And let's see how good this stuff really is that's been recommended.
Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing.
So as you can see, we sprayed it on the brush, brushed it in. Don't know if you can see that brush is already dirty. This was a clean new brush. It's already got, you know, like dirt marks on it. But we're gonna leave this now brushed in for about 10, maybe 5-10 minutes, and then we're going to wipe off with that cloth that we've got. Okay, let's wipe our first lot and see what we get. I must say it smells very nice. It's like a scenty. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that coming off. It's like a scenty lemon, which is really nice. So they say do this and then just repeat until your cloth doesn't show any more dirt. I must say it feels nice already, but we definitely have got some dirt off there, look. Let's try this side. Wow, okay. Let's try another go. So there we have the steering wheel done and the Alcantara done. I have to say I'm quite impressed. It smells lovely. And it's definitely brought it up feeling like I don't know, like Alcantara normally does when it's new, I suppose. So I'm quite impressed with that. I think I'll do one more go, and then call it a day, because yeah, that's quite impressive, that stuff actually.
Know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn, they could deceive. Just tell me that I can and show you things.
Okay, so we've done 3 goes, and I must say I'm quite impressed. It smells lovely, it feels lovely. It's what the detailers all recommend, and I have to say it seems to do a very good job. So I think, guys, with me recommending that product, I'll show you it again when I find the can. Give me a sec. So this is the can, Sonex Extreme for Alcantara. I'd highly recommend it, and I'd have to say, guys, that is job done.